Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about correction of sentences. This will be useful for classes 11, 10 and lower classes also. The first incorrect sentence is I have no any pen. No and any, this should not be together. And the correct sentence is I have no pen. So you cannot use both the words here. I have no pen is correct. The second incorrect sentence is anyone cannot do this work. So it's not giving sense. Instead of anyone, no one is correct. And no one can do this work. When no is there, again you cannot put not here. So no one can do this work is correct. The third incorrect sentence is it's much fine today is correct. I have not some money. This construction is wrong. I have no money is correct. I have no money is correct sentence for this. Sheila is my older sister. Older sister, older word is not correct here. Elder word is correct. Sheila is my elder sister is correct. I want little sugar for tea. Little gives sense of almost nothing. So the answer is I want a little. A little means some sugar. I want a little sugar is correct sentence. Only few boys were present. Few means almost nil or almost to zero. So the correct answer is only a few. A few means some boys. This is the correct sentence. Only a few boys were present. He is more stronger than you. Here more is there and comparative degree is there. So both should not be there. So the correct answer is stronger. When stronger comes, then also should come in the comparative degree. Then should come. So he is stronger than you. Here the comparison is between two. He is the most biggest fool. It's a superlative degree sentence, and this is giving the sense that it is a superlative and even most. So both should not be there. Only one should be there. That is biggest. He is the biggest fool is the correct sentence. So before the word biggest or the word with est form, that is in the superlative degree, the word the should be there. So the definite article the or the should be before the word which gives the sense of the superlative degree. Next incorrect sentence is this is comparatively cheaper cloth. So cheaper is comparative degree. So but here the meaning will be wrong with these words. This is so this word cheap should be the positive degree word. He is richer than wiser. Here uh, richer is not the comparative degree and more rich is correct, and with the comparative degree you have tha and than after it. So the correct sentence is he is more rich than wise. You are senior than me by 2 years. This sentence is also wrong. Whenever the word senior comes, to will come. So the answer is you are senior to me by 2 years. So senior to, junior to should come. I prefer walking than riding. Always with the word prefer, you should use the word to. Here to is there. So the correct sentence is I prefer walking to riding. I prefer coffee to tea, like that. Next incorrect sentence is, what is the fresh news? The correct answer is, what is the latest news? I shall leave by the latest train. Here this is also a wrong sentence. I shall leave by the last train. He spent whole the day in play. Order of the words is wrong here. He spent the whole day in play is correct. Kalidas is greater than any dramatist. Here comparative degree is there. Whenever greater than, then any other will come. So here Kalidas is greater than any other dramatist. He is our mutual friend. So here the mutual word is wrong. Common friend is correct. He is our common friend. I have two 10 rupees notes. This is a wrong sentence. Instead of rupees, you should have rupee notes. So I have two 10 rupee notes. He is in class 10th. This construction is also wrong. He is in the 10th class. He is in the 10th class is correct. He is passed in English. Again, this sentence is incorrect. He passed in English is correct sentence. The teacher will take us a test tomorrow. This sentence is incorrect. This means that the teacher will write the test. We are not going to make that what calls sense while we want to speak. So the students are going to take the test. So the teacher is going to give the test. So the answer is the teacher will give us a test tomorrow. So will give us a test. That means he will administer the test and students will write the test. What make you laugh? Again, here the word make is wrong. Here it should be makes. Our hen has given 2 eggs. It will not give the eggs with his hands. The 2 eggs is correct answer. He is suffering from fever since Tuesday. This is the common mistake made by the students. Here since is there, so you can use the present perfect continuous tense. So the correct answer is, he has been suffering from fever since Tuesday. In the letter writing also, this construction, instead of instead of he, you have to use I have been suffering from fever since Tuesday, Monday, like that. The patient died before the doctor arrived. Here two events took place. One is the patient died. This is the earlier event. And second one is the doctor arrived. This is the later event. So when we combine these two sentences, the first event should be written with past perfect tense. So here the answer is, the patient had died before the doctor arrived. Next incorrect sentence is, if he will work hard, he will pass. There should not be two will here. It is a conditional clause. In this first clause, subordinate clause or if clause, will is there. So here this will should be removed. If he works hard, he will pass. So if he works hard, he will pass. He walks as if he is lame. Here he should not be there. He were lame. He walks as if he were lame is the correct answer. He was hung for murder. This word hung is wrong. Hanged is correct. He was hanged for murder. Stop to write. This is a wrong construction. Many of them speak like this, but it is wrong. Stop writing is correct. He shook my hands. It is for shaking. Incorrect sentence is, he shook my hand. This is related to shaking of hands. The correct sentence is, he shook hands with me. How you know that? Many of the students make this mistake. It's a question. So here do is missing. How do you know that is correct answer. Here come here yesterday. So yesterday is the clue here. So you have to use past tense. So the correct answer is he came here yesterday. I do not know cycling. This is a wrong sentence. I do not know how to cycle is the correct sentence. Radha works hardly. This means that she doesn't work at all. So the correct sentence should be the Radha works hard. So we want to convey this meaning, Radha works hard. So we have to use the sentence Radha works hard. The deer ran fastly. Here the word fastly is wrong. Here it should be fast. The deer ran fast. The rose smells sweetly. Yes, sweetly should not be put. It should be sweet. The rose smells sweet. I shall be very obliged to you. Here very should not be there. I shall be much obliged to you. I shall be much obliged to you. This sentence will be in the letters like that. I am too pleased to meet you. This appears to be correct, but it's wrong grammatically. I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you is correct sentence. He comes here seldom. Here order of the words is wrong. He seldom comes here is the correct sentence. She gave up her studies 2 years before. The word before is wrong here. Ago should come. She gave up her studies 2 years ago is the correct sentence. We are in need of sugar badly. Here the word badly is placed at the wrong place. It should be placed after a. We are badly in need of sugar is the correct sentence. He was enough kind to help me. Here the order of these two words is in the wrong way. The correct order is he was kind enough to help me. He was kind enough, though this makes sense and we can understand grammatically this is correct. He was kind enough to help me. She seldom or ever comes to see me. Whenever the word seldom is there, never should come. So here she seldom or never comes to see me. This box is very heavy for you to lift. So you can use the to construction. This box is too heavy for you to lift. Please kindly do me a favor. You cannot use both the words. You can use either please do me a favor or kindly do me a favor. Next incorrect sentence is I do not know how to ride a horse. I do not know to ride a horse is wrong. The answer is I do not know how to ride a horse is correct sentence. The boys entered into the hall one by one. After the word entered, into should not come. Entered the hall is correct. The boys entered the hall one by one. She resembles with her mother. She resembles her mother is correct. With is wrong here. So she resembles her mother is correct sentence. Rama married with Sita. Many students have the tendency to put with the word married. So this sentence is wrong. Rama married Sita is correct. I reached at the station. Here it is wrong. I reached the station is correct. He ordered for 2 cups of tea. Here 4 should not be placed. Ordered 2 cups of tea is correct. He is searching his lost pen. After the word searching, 4 should be there. He is searching for his lost pen is correct sentence. I prefer milk than tea. After the word prefer, you should have 2. I prefer milk to tea. I do not agree to you. agree with you is correct. So I do not agree with you. After the word agree, which should come? I've eaten nothing from yesterday. From should be wrong here. From should not be here. And instead of from, since is the correct answer. I've eaten nothing since yesterday. This is present perfect tense, and since is used for point of time. He has no house to live. To live is wrong. To live in is correct. So he has no house to live in. He needs a pen to write. To write is wrong here. To write with is correct. So he needs a pen to write with. He needs a pen to write with is correct sentence. It's 4 in my watch. In my watch is wrong. By my watch is correct. It's 4 by my watch. Open your book on page 30. Here on is wrong. At page 30 is